Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers on Facebook. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Here I'm going to open it. And now you will see an interface like this. Normally click on the profile icon on the top right corner. And now you have to scroll down a bit. Here you have an option, settings and privacy. Normally choose settings from here, and from here normally you have to scroll down a bit again until you found an option, and that is followers and public content. And from here you have to choose who can see your followers on your timeline. Choose this option, and from here normally choose only me. And now click on the save button. So go back to your profile right now, and on your profile normally click on this edit public details. And scroll down a bit. From here, click on this edit button on the details side. And from here, normally uncheck this box. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to hide your followers on Facebook app. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.